Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can manage offline languages on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, scroll down and tap on security and privacy. Then we go down and tap on privacy. Next, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on other privacy settings, and then you go to the Google section and tap on Android system intelligence. Then go down and tap on device recognition, and from here tap on add a language, and then from the list go down and select a language that you want to use for offline languages. So here I can tap on the language and then tap on the download button. And that's it. So that is how you can manage languages for the on-device speech recognition on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.